Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the navigation bar in your Google site. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so I'm using this ePortfolio site for this demonstration. Now you can see my navigation is on the top of the page here, like so, and I've got home about project page. But if I want to change the layout, I can go ahead and hover over the navigation and you're going to see a gear icon on the top left hand corner of the page. Now it's going to be in the navigation bar. So we've got the mode. So we've got a few different ways. So we can do top or side mode. So if I do side, and we can also, color can be transparent or black or the color of your theme. So now I've got it on the side, but I reckon navigation looks best on the top. Just easy to get to. Now to add in navigation, so we need to add another page here. So we need to click on page and now click on that plus icon. And now from here, we want to go ahead and click on new page, and I'm going to call this test 1. Click done, and now you can see that's has been placed here, but it's placed in between home and about, so we can change where this is located. So what we can do, I can click and hold this and put it at the far right, or if we want it at the start, or we can have it under a current navigation. So if I want it inside of about, I can. If I want it inside a project page, like so, I can do it like that as well.